Hello, and welcome to Python Essentials. Today's exciting topic is functions, a cornerstone of efficient and reusable code in Python. Let's embark on this journey to understand and create functions. In programming, a function is like a small machine in a larger system. It's designed to perform a specific task. When you call this machine, it executes its task, often taking in data, processing it, and returning a result. Let's start by defining a basic function. In Python, you define a function using the def keyword, followed by the function name and parentheses. This function, named greet, prints a greeting when called. To see our function in action, we need to call it. Here's how you can do it. Functions become more powerful with parameters. Parameters allow functions to process different data every time they are called. Let's modify our greet function. Now, greet can welcome anyone by name. Functions can also return values. A return statement sends back a result from a function. Let's create a simple addition function. Now let's use it to add two numbers. And that's the basics of functions in Python. They help keep your code organized, reusable, and elegant. Experiment with different types of functions and parameters to enhance your coding skills.